Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob and this is a how-to video for replacing a Skylight and an RV travel trailer fifth wheel. I was able to purchase all these products through Amazon and I've included the links to them in the description below. So make sure to click on those and check them out. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. All right, let's get into it. So I'm going to start on the inside and remove the Skylight before I go upstairs and do the exterior. But first thing I'm gonna do is remove the shade and then I'll remove the interior Skylight. Alright, so the good thing is it doesn't seem like it's wet around here, which is really good. Next thing I'm going to do is go up on the roof and remove the exterior Skylight. I want to scrape off the die core and be extremely careful not to damage a TPO roof if you have a TPO roof like I do, which is this thin membrane here. You really want to use like a plastic scraper, that way you don't damage it. Since I only have a metal putty knife, I'm just going to work along the edge of the Skylight here.
The stiffer putty knife worked best for getting underneath the lap sealant to remove it. You can also use a heat gun to soften the sealant, making it easier to work with.
I think there's like a butyl tape underneath here. So I can kind of work at it. It already cracked, so if you crack it more, it doesn't really matter. Alright, now we're going to clean all this off before installing the new one. Now you want to be really careful not to damage the roofing material. So next up I'm going to use some denatured alcohol and try and wipe down the rest of this area. I'm going to use some flashing tape and enclose this area in the event that moisture does come down through here in the future. It should help prevent it from getting back into these cavities here and soaking up the insulation. Alright, I think the best way to do this will be to run that lap sealant that came with it along the underside edge. Pretty thick bead. Set it down and kind of move it around, and then put it on the ends of the screws as I screw them in. Alright, now that it's all secured, I'm going to go ahead and apply the lap sealant. I'm going to apply them over the screws and lap the edge. I've got some extra die core, good stuff, just in case I need it. It's up the tube of what was supplied. And now it's time to install the inside, and I just went ahead and cleaned it prior to installing because it'll be impossible to clean once we get this mounted. I don't want to crack it.
Okay, I see.
All right, there we go. Thanks for watching this how-to video. If you enjoyed it, smash down that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Thanks for watching.